Well, hi, my name is Michael, and this is our 2022 Thor Chateau 27R. Now, before you get too deep into this video, if you came here for plans, a material list, a cut list, a specific how-to, you've come to the wrong place. I put this video together just to basically showcase the modifications and upgrades we did to our unit, but it's not a specific how-to, so for that, I'm sorry. There were a few things about our RV that we weren't too happy with, that we figured we could upgrade down the road, and that's what we decided to do. So right off the bat, theater seats. We wanted them, wasn't an option in our unit, so we put them in. The second problem was when you're sitting in the couch or in the theater seats, the TV was above the bunk, so you had to kind of look up. Didn't really care for that. The seat back on the passenger side was too vertical because it was hitting the back of the dinette set. Not a fan of that. So we had to fix those things. And then once we put the theater seats in with the slides closed, really narrow walkway to go from the front of the coach to the back. So had to fix that too. So you're not going to find the build list and materials list and the cut list, as I said, but I will put links in the description for the TV lift mechanism we used, as well as the folding brackets that I used for the table, as well as the videos that I did find online with the how-to to build the lift cabinet. I kind of put them together, used them as inspiration to come up with the lift cabinet that ultimately I did. So about $500 total investment in materials. I repurposed a lot of the items that I removed. The drawers that were underneath the dinette, I've turned them into shelves, which you'll see in the video. The couch that I did remove from the RV is now the couch here in our office, so that worked out real nice too. If you do have any specific questions, feel free to put them in the description below. I will do my best to answer them for you. And again, links to some of the other builds so that you can get some ideas as well. But hopefully you enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed building everything, and now as much as we are going to enjoy our RV. So again, any questions, put them in the comments below, and thanks for watching.